kase bi se abofra wo ne maame yemu a na ye ono nko ade a but oba ho de a obia yes it takes a village to raise a child iti mompa ebo ene adoya amo odo amo wo mayen ene di ya bedu ha meti ase se edwumadi ye ya ye ma widows sebio ye maame mu a omukuru mu ene eni ho aha ena ya ye frefro mo na ya kai wo mo se kakra beto ye nsa no ye pese ye de ba.
Okay, guys, since here was Space 86 our Kasoa Lounge. Now, this is a beautiful lounge. Actually, environment now, dub. But Livingstone Foundation and you with the Stonebwoy down, and today is the Mother's Day, and they've decided to show some love to all mothers here in Ghana. And see, Oyana wife, Dr. Louisa, and a Stonebwoy himself, or alive or Kasoa. Like the saying goes, Kasoa da shaman, what's that 6 and a 7. And see, watch your mommy funazi when you watch the excitement is all over their faces, and to be going there right there to take their interactions, their expressions, what feelings about what Stonebwoy has done for mothers. Even your widows, even your single moms, and other women, they really need support. Technofu were representing PEP students, Gino, Kivo, Brand Senator Bebre. So we'll be going there, we'll be interacting with them. Dr. Louisa show us sites, our grounds. In Tiangana moral coordinator. Thank you. But Charlie, this guy they try to, think about mothers way they help them there. It be big. All right, doctor. Muna da doyan waya on phone when every day I see say they do charity from year to day. Last time I can send our takra day okotu bohu. Today too, or your Mother's Day, about time waya doyan. What's the motivation behind it?
So as we all know, Stonebwoy is a man of the people.
I know, right?
He's a man with a very big heart. And see, he's thinking, oh, Matisse, say, Kasoa, what can we do to help? It doesn't mean that he has all the money in the world, but he always wants to try and make a difference or impact people's lives. And see, Mother's Day, every year, we my widows. Now, first, but you say, oh, Yeah, there was almost so many. They have to be excited. They have to be happy. So we'll have a sitting where they can come, eat, dance, see Stonebwoy themselves, chat with him, laugh with him, and all of that. So last year we did it in Ashaiman, and at this year, so we're here at Kasoa, and it's very fulfilling. Also, now mama for no be any because you've made a difference. You put a smile on someone's face.
Yeah. Personally, many mama food nibiakas, and it's say the kind of vibes now. What's the more now? I'm sure Stonebwoy, I'm sure Dr. Louisa. How do you feel personally?
Oh, we feel very happy. Stonebwoy, as we know, Stonebwoy on Family Phone Diago.
I know, right?
He doesn't joke with mothers. He has 3 songs about mama. So you should know that he doesn't joke with mothers. Even if it's not his own mother, a mother figure, he doesn't joke with them at all. So at least obi mame okoda ne how bi so ate niam amunya ene on dwen ho so be kwakoto emu or kwakoto oil or kwakoto tomatoes toilet roll for a while. And it's nice that we're making a difference and it feels good for us.
I mean, this is beautiful, and we encourage you and your husband so that your kids can also do this. And I love one thing: Stonebwoy adoya on Kadawaye.
Yeah.
What chairman Yanko push? It's in Yanko Pabocodation.
Amen. Amen.
Kasa bi say abofra won ma me yemu a na ye ono nko ade a but oba ho de a obia you say it takes a village to raise a child. Iti mompa ebo ene adoya amo odo amo wo mayen ene di ya bedu ha meti ase say edwumadi ye a ye ma widows sebio ye ma memo a omukuru mu ene eni ho ena ya ye frɛ from na ya kai wo mo se kakra beto ye nsa no ye pese ye de ba nipa ba akokra na nya bibi wo mo a ne mpa ye bokra beso bo na ochina abe mienu na emiensa enya aban bi ena esoma Stonebwoy enye sebio political party bi ena edi sike bi acheme sebio ejumade ena ye nyina ye menamu amina mekoye ejuma ena me afaso a mabepi mu a me fi aso a ye to aso but nye obi owo ni nyina ena owo akoma ye de che akoma ye de che de Nyankopon ena ede ma nti medamu nyina sese ye to nsa frɛ mu no mo anka se ye nko bebi a amfa motu mobile ena ye so ye kakra ya to ntobo a eje ne ye nkrofo bi obi o yetumi joso o mo na sie ene mother's day mo what I say na ye de abom nti no nyame hira mu nyina na minim se kakra aka mo nsankra no Nyankopon be ma no ayen aye kese ama ye nyina ama san hira no kra ebi atoye mma no mo so mo mma ene mo mma ba ne mo mma mma ne mo nana no mo nyina nti ye no ene asema me de nam tie iti happy Mother's Day. Hold on. Emma manager and I say your friend has space 60 space 86 lounge. Me pacho also order my say stone. So also be there brabe wa there. What I say? Yeah, nyehwe. The koba ne say your friend manager na me o say sana ono so me bra panyi a ye nyina ye free asama. What I say? Inti ene Nyankopon ahye na honde ono so tuma bibi say oye no Kasoa. Inti we say Kasoa le asama de. Obi senior brother. Kasoa le asama de 6 and 7. Inti ya da semester 2. Yes, inti mu share Mr. 2 a mo mbonje no so ono hye kwana na obeso office. Yes, yada na ase. Yeah, sanso da Obatampa radio ase. And I sanso da Lilo Rice. So what I say, we Ghana mo yɛduane ha highest quality yɛde ɔmo ase sɛ company no so de bia ɔmo ta yɛkyi because ɛne ɔmo na yɛ adwuma nti de bia Nyankopɔn hyira ɔmo what I say ɛna yɛda techno nso so ase ɛna yɛsada Pepsodent yɛsada Obesima yɛsada Gino ɛna yɛsada Bigofo ase sɛ mommɔ mpaeɛ ma yɛn na de bia no yɛne nkurɔfoɔ wei ɛwɔ adwuma yɛ a yɛbɛma ɔmo ahus ne sɛ adwuma no yɛne mu yɛ no nyɛ yɛn nko a sɛ yɛ maame no mu wɔ hɔ yɛ papa no mu wɔ hɔ na ɔmo so ɔmo nyɛ kɛseɛ na ɔkyena sɛ yɛbɛsan aba ha bi mu a na ayɛ deɛ bebree meda mo nyinaa ase ɛna mesa so da mepatwɛ wo manka ɛnyɛ mesa so da Gandu Cosmetics fo ase ɔmo na ɔmo ma yɛ cream so ne body lotions ne adeadeɛ ɔmo ma yɛ ho yɛ am ne ana meboa mami iti obi wɔ obi mu ana sɛ deɛ ame forget mesa so da the Livingston Foundation team ni nyinaa wɔn nyinaa wɔn hyɛ t-shirt no obiara ɛde adɔyɛ ɛna ɛyɛ adwuma yɛntua obiara aka na waka sɛ monthly yɛtua misi dɛbi ɛyɛ charity nti medamo ase sɛ mo de mo time mo de mo energy mo de mo tumi ɛde support yɛn sɛ we will just make yɛn nyinaa anigye bɛba abrabom kakra a yɛbɛnya bia Nyankopɔn hyɛ obi bia ɛna Max TV nso so yɛda mo ase Joy News UTV we Echo TV so iti mu twa ma me fo no na mo show wo TV so na mo nkyerɛ mo ba sɛ elem ba TV so ana TV3 so ya da mo ase na TV so ba TV so ya diketwa TV so ya mba no ba ha to ano cheska yes so to cheska ti ya de ba free yes iti ya da mo nyina ase ana bibi obi mu ana
pani de way so pani de o hye akonafo ene jakafo enti ampa ya popo ase we ya odi ama me kurafo me ya kama kuma se me duru me fie a me de me ni abrewa bi beche omo ahwemo kunu me no beche ndamu nyina ase na enkoso a se na wa friend se Livingston e beda so transe da ndamu ase. Amen. On shirano, obeshirano papa. Obeshirano so bona shirano. De oye enye nipa nyina na eye. Nipa ni de odi man, especially kunafo e be yen shiraman. One ne yire enye omoda.
Mi wonne menka. Ya menka ende nyame na obo ne ba asase du no. Ya phone ofi me bottle for me. Shebi ara adum Yankopɔ na esiesie no onye onye na-ebusua ne yer o chefa ya mi shali bebre bebi obefe biara ska no da aboya wan ka no onye am na times 40 ya mi shali bebre otu kara ya menye no nko orba so onye na mbra omboan wo Yesu di amen
ya benado
na eba asem na wakache Stonebwoy wa adoya wa ya ma wi
o makaba Nyankopɔ no nhye no bebre because my waye mala mo hu bi da nze ni my first time nti Nyankopɔ nhye na asefo nyina na mo nya na kese na yes obey onya kese nso nche ne day.
Okay, so guys, you heard it for yourself. Stonebwoy Livingston Foundation. Waba Kasoa na waba charity ma oye kuna fukune wa.
Let me a single mother.
Okay, I will a single mother. This will go a long way to help your children. Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, the Yamias. Yamisha Stonebwoy. Amen. Come be Zamo. When you're doing a patron, never some never catch a Stonebwoy.
Catching Yamisha. No, any can see. Na ye ne kese ne da na kuma so bi radin fa ma no e ka wa boy e ne radin hye mo no ne da na kuma so bi radin ye ma no no nhira no ene na sefo nyina amen
amen na e kunamfa na dey single mother
we are single mother
nti this will go a long way to help our na mo friend enwe nyen kada nyame share Stonebwoy bim won se ma ye fo pa na you wanna to mo Stonebwoy.
Someone fight.
Oh, okay. And what's your impressions about this Adoya?
Oh, I'm so happy. Say, but to me, kind mothers on Mother's Day, they show so much love. So I really appreciate everything.
A single mother and a widow. A single mom. Into this will go a long way to help the kids, right?
Yes.
Now, you can give interest, Stonebwoy.
Send your mission of free. Beside now, when your man was, man, long life, joy and happiness.
Amen.